In this video I want to show you how to search resonance of a certain coil, and I use for that my dipmeter. It's here, and this is in fact an oscillator that can oscillate between low frequencies, and the highest frequency is approximately 250 megahertz. The lowest is approximately 1.5 megahertz. Here you see two coils that I've made. This is the first one. It's here. On the coil is a capacitor, and this is also a coil. They don't look like normal coils, like these for instance, but in fact this is a coil, and this is the coil wire, and here's the capacitor, and this also is a very small coil, and this piece of the coil here acts as a capacitor. So this coil has a certain resonance frequency, and this coil also. Now I'm going to search for that frequency. I put on the dipmeter the coil for the high frequency range. It's from 100 till 250 megahertz, and it's this coil. You can see that this is also a sort of wire, piece of wire, though it's from copper clad board. And when I tune in, the dipmeter oscillates, and when I search here, I'm gonna watch the place where the meter goes back. Here you can see that the meter goes back, and there is a dip. And this is the dip of this coil. And it means that this coil takes energy from the oscillator. So now we know the frequency of this combination, and it's approximately 120 megahertz. So by this way you can search for the resonance frequency of a coil. Now I'm going to test this coil, the small one. I put it in the range of the oscillator, and I'm going to tune again here, and I'm going to look at the meter and see where it's going to dip. Here I see a dip, and also here. So it's not very clear where this coil resonates. I presume it's in the range of 200 megahertz. So this is a way to test coils and see where the resonance of coils are, what the resonance frequency of a coil is.